Okay, some people wanted a shop update. Well, it was a long weekend here, August long weekend, and we were gone away. And I still feel like I'm gone away, so we'll do the best we can here with this shitty ass voice I got. It's not from drinking too much, of course. Anyway, let's check out what's going on in the shop. Yeah, my Model A's sitting in here because I wanted to hide it because I was going away. But anyway, so this gentleman at the 56 Chevy pickup cab decided he wanted me to get rid of the dome light area and then weld the seam across here. And of course then he wanted the dash welded, you see that? Welded flush. So we're doing all that. It basically doesn't want any seams anywhere. So that's all fine. So we got that done. Yes, the 36 is there. The 36 actually literally wheels, tires, and put the hood on it. It's running. You can see over there the lights are on it. It's just, it's done. Why are we taking so long with that? I have no idea. Okay. We got a little Mercury here. We were waiting for a water pump. Sent us the wrong water pump. Then I had to wait again. Then they sent us the right water pump, but the wrong pulley on the water pump. Every time I touch this car, it never wants to work for me. But in the end, I always get it to work, because that's just what we do. So, that's that little flatty just purring. That's a good car, running-wise. Anyway, we got her fixed up. So water pumps for Mercuries are only for Mercury cars only. 49 and 51 Mercuries kind of had their own water pump. You can buy kits to put in the water pump to reseal them. So you can do that and just take it to a place that can press them out and machine it for you, and away you go. But I actually found a new old stock water pump for one of these Mercuries after I found a few water pumps. So I now hold the key to the water pumps on Mercuries, and no, they're not for sale. And no, I don't own a Mercury either. It's just the way I am. Okay. The 52 Pontiac here. Or is it a 51? Why do you guys ask for a shop update after I've been gone away having a party? Anyway, it is in final primer. Now what's going to happen is this car is going to go in the shop and it's going to be up to Chris. Chris has got to fit the Ellis engine in there. He's got to get the steering column fit in there. He's got a bunch of fitting for mechanical. He's got some wiring to do. He's got to wire all the Ellis stuff up. So that's going to keep him very busy. Now we got this 67 little Ford pickup. It's in first primer on the body. If you recall, or maybe I didn't even do a video, but anyway, I welded complete cab corners on, inner and outers. If I didn't do a video, I did show it on Instagram. I remember that much. These patches are not me. These patches you see on the floor were in the truck when it came. The customer doesn't want to touch them. He's like, who cares? The carpet covers it. He's just cleaning it up. But anyway, you can see on the inside where I welded the cab corners. We always grind the welds down here, grind them down, clean it up. You know, I'll put a little bit of primer sealer on there. Then I'll seam seal it, and then I'll put some texture spray over top of it. You know, just so I can, you know, at least get the water away from it, right? So that's coming along good. So now we got the sad light. 70 sad light. Sean ripped the vinyl top off it. Now, you notice everything's stripped to bare metal. The quarters aren't because I got to replace both quarters. So this is actually a really decent car. It's very straight. It's in very good shape. I believe the floors are all solid in this car. Yeah, completely solid floors. So, but the trunk pan had some rust in it, I do know that. So it's got some rust going on up in here in the corners. So, yeah, I'll be going to town on that here pretty quick. Get my ass together here. Probably need this week to recuperate. Maybe not. I'm working on the crew cab case right here. Went to put the fenders on it last week, but I couldn't find the rubbers, so then I figured it out. So I'm just gonna, you can see right now, I'm just putting the fender on now, but I gotta find, there's supposed to be some clips that go in here to hold these on, and he didn't bring those to me, so I gotta figure something out there. Chris is on the Nova. Oh yeah, here we go. Look at that. He's got it looking good. Oh. What do you got to say for yourself?
Oh, not much.
Are you feeling okay?
Oh, yeah. It was a rough weekend.
Yeah. We took Chris out. We showed him how to party. Wow. Yeah, he's got no comment for that.
No.
Yeah.
I'm tired today.
Are you a little tired?
Yeah.
But we were home yesterday morning.
We were.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And so 24 hours and he's still tired.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, that shows you what we do. Yeah. So yeah, that looks beautiful.
Yeah, it's getting there.
Look at that.
Just waiting for that air cleaner to come in.
Oh,
Matches the valve covers.
that's right. I ordered that, didn't I? Yeah, I did order that. Yeah, it's probably down at the border. Okay.
Yeah, it's getting there.
Very close.
Front clips all back on.
Yeah. Looking good. Looking good. That's
We'll be
it.
leaving here soon, I think.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
We're done soon.
Let's put some hood pads in it. I think that's about it.
Oh, yeah.
Exhaust, alignment.
Yep, we're done.
Yeah.
Okay.
Show them those fancy seats in there.
Oh, God. Yeah, those are fancy, all right. Put some high back buckets in a four-door.
That nice Dakota digital gauge cluster in there.
Yeah. A lot of money in this little car.
Sneak peek.
A sneak peek, look at that. Wow. Can't get his girl sitting next to you when you got buckets. Okay, well, let's get back over here, I guess, and we'll get out of the heat. So there you go, there's your little bit of an update, what's going on. Yeah, Black Betty's sitting over there. She's burnt off one set of tires. So anyway, there we go, guys. So remember, hey, it's always a good time at Old Time. Thanks for subscribing, thanks for watching. Remember, Rick's_Old Time Garage, Instagram. Look us up. You'll see so many goddamn burnouts you won't know what to do. See you later.